been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning and welcome back to the William fam. So your girl just got up, showered, all dressed, and we are going to head downstairs. We're supposed to have a nice couple breakfast and then we're gonna end up chilling. So Mr. Williams been waiting on me. Sorry for the lighting. I need to go charge my battery. Last night we had a ball. It was just fun. Everybody hanging out, relaxing. Mr. William, as you see over there in the bed watching show. As usual, I am looking. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna open up the blinds a little bit and let some light in this room. Okay, babes, are you ready to go downstairs? So I need to charge this somewhere for me. Charge it downstairs. Yeah. Okay, so I need to charge my battery. Gosh, I had to come last night. I literally had to blow dry my hair from swimming in the pool. The hair got all so wet. Okay, let me see what's going on. I smell breakfast. You coming? Huh? Soon come closer. Okay, let me go downstairs and see who's downstairs. Alright guys, so let's go down. Oh. Good morning, good morning. No. Oh, our friend. Oh gosh, I knew I smelled pop down here. I was like, oh. Early morning things, eh? Oh gosh.
I was there, that's what we're last time.
What? It's having no party too much last night. What? Yo, I knocked out.
I wasn't even down here, but upstairs, I was watching Investigation Discovery.
Oh my gosh.
Something like after 3, because I know I started seeing lights
Yeah?
outside. When I opened my eyes again, I'm like, there's a light still. Like,
I knocked out after we came back from the pool and I went swimming.
this is.
I was literally out. I showered and
I see Mario come downstairs.
I know, I see you.
And he was like, yeah, that's it for me. I'm like, all right, see you in the morning.
yeah. Oh
my girl's Jeff, he came in from the pool. She was like, yo, he snored. Like,
the pool made everybody drowsy, but it was just
Yup.
nice. It knocked us out real quick. So what you guys see is the chef them in the building. Yeah, them cooking up a storm.
you guys have toothpaste?
Yeah. Yo, I always bring.
No, you left it. You
But
have the toothbrush.
them supposed to. You figured that they would have.
Exactly.
Well, that was one thing you can request that them have. Toothpaste, soap, the mini lotion.
It's a luxury area. You're supposed to have those things.
Yeah.
The dishwashing soap done.
I know, so I just go buy, bring some because we have the tub, the 1 gallon tub of stuff. Oh Lord. Alright, so we're setting up. Let's open up some blinds. Like I said, guys, we partied too much last night. See, nobody could wake. Nobody can wake. Too much partying.
I was so happy. I'm like, yes, breakfast can't stop yet.
Yeah. I was like, I know Zoe ain't waking up more early.
It'll be brunch instead.
Yeah, brunch, that means it's skip lunch.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty much, and then, you know, we have dinner vibes later. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah. Oh, yesterday was just great. Great start to our week.
Amen, I agree.
Yeah. I love how all the couples, everybody just vibes, you know? We're coming like we're knowing each other for a long time. I love that. Oh. Yeah. So the energy right, everything turn up, but we're going to turn up later on.
Again, unfortunately. Nobody can't.
So we're not used to these things.
Doesn't sound like one side.
I know, it's crazy. I don't know how people do it on a daily, you know?
I barely walked down the stairs this morning. I'm like, Jesus. Give me
But the
strength.
funny thing is, imagine if we were all like drinking like hard liquor, rum and stuff like that. You're drinking a 1-2 little cooler or having some wine, and we're turning over, guys, like literally. And so we are drink wine, and so we are drink water. We literally like turning over. That's crazy. I think it was just the energy. We all just got drunk off each other's energy. That's pretty much what it feels like. When you got the good energy and the water, yeah, it was just nice.
It was the jailbird couple. Them, they drink hard. They just rubbery.
Yeah.
Them a party.
Yeah, them parties strong.
How do you guys like your eggs?
I don't have a preference.
Okay. Does Picky Mario have a preference?
Not really, but he likes it fried. Yeah. Yeah, that's how he eats his egg, Jamaican style. Oh my goodness. So, we have orange juice?
Yeah.
Oh, couldn't say osmosis.
Osmosis?
How you say it?
Mimosas?
That's it. I know, bro, I see that look, she's like, what the hell did you just say? Since it's midday, we can have one of those nice, you know?
Even if it wasn't midday, you can have mimosa.
Oh shit. You know, I haven't had one of those in so long. That is too crazy.
Mimosa, me please.
Oh Lord, that's too funny.
Oh god, this girl said osmosis?
I'm not even cutting that out of the vlog. I know I wasn't saying it right because I know it's most something or another, but you know.
Osmosis.
Oh gosh.
Watch, we'll put that on the vlog. Guys, we're here having osmosis.
You know somebody's gonna crack and be like, Shan, Zoe, that is so wrong. You're saying it wrong. Well, we know that. We corrected it from laughing about it.
It's like, well, what are you talking about, girl?
Oh gosh. Mr. Williams finds some series show and he was hooked on it upstairs. I was like, well, yesterday I had dropped asleep, left him last night watching it. He's like, I'm going down to get food. I'm like, yeah, by the time we come back I was knocked out.
I'm gonna see you.
I was knocked out.
And him say, yeah, that's it.
Because he's like, I'm hungry. I was like, there's plenty of food. Look how much food we have left over from last night. He said, go eat.
That's what I was saying. I'm like, you know, a whole cupboard full of snacks. Not to mention the dips and
Everything. Well, I get maybe later. We're gonna have to do like a nice little dessert tray, I guess, later on. Oh god. So you guys been vlogging what's going on?
Not really.
Really? Mr. Chef.
Anytime I hold stuff, I can never vlog.
Why? Just put on the camera, you have your tripod and let it run.
Yeah,
Alright guys. Ooh, so this is brunch. Yeah? It's a brunch turn up.
yeah, now.
Yeah, ready to go eat. And see set up over here. Yeah. So everybody wake up and in their best fit. That's not where you're sitting. Well,
I'm at a brunch party, so.
My pancake
Yeah, and it was raining a bit outside, but it looked like it settled up now. It looked like it settled up, but yeah, we're about to go eat some food. Hey, your girl is hungry, so we're gonna go make some mimosas. Yeah. Well, I say we got fried plantain here. We have dumpling, plantain, ackee and saltfish. Yeah. We have egg, hot dogs, pancakes. Ooh.
And the syrup.
I need the syrup and the whipped cream.
I almost forget. The syrup is on the
Table. There's the whipped cream. Oh, there was milk. If you guys, for those that want milk.
Which cereal?
No, they drink milk. Some people drink milk with them pancake. Almond milk. I've never tried it, but I love almond, so I should try it.
Almond milk. If it's not almond milk, we can't. I'm not gonna drink it still.
Yeah, I don't drink milk either. I don't know. I just can't.
That's a cereal. She was almond.
I not even drink cereal to that. So, yeah, man. Oh, I think the upstairs guests in here.
They're not here?
No, they're upstairs. I don't think they heard the pot knocking. No. You're gonna have to go. Okay, let me go knock. Let's go knock up the other couple. We'll go and knock them up. Knock, knock. Breakfast is ready. You guys coming? All right. Oh gosh. All right. So we're all ready to eat. Oh man, guys, the AC's got me sniffling.
And then I think I have one in my computer.
Got me sniffling like crazy, but we're about to go chow down, and later on it's gonna be festive. We have a nice, yeah, dress up food and thing, but you guys are gonna have to wait and see the nice setup. Okay. All right, guys. So this is mine. I'm just having some ginger tea, and I'm having some pancakes with some powdered sugar, syrup, and whipped cream, and I got my osmosis. So I'm having some ginger tea. So there's more stuff, but I'm gonna eat this first before I go and take anything else. Yeah. No, me can't mix up all my food. I don't want it mixed up. So this is what, so we all come sit down at the table and eat up some food. So they have egg. Well, Mario got a little bit of everything in his plate. Yeah.
That's all the whipped cream on shop. You say whip.
What? I love my whipped cream on my pancakes.
Special request.
Yeah, love it. You don't know I'm trying to sugar? The syrup there. Alright. So everybody's sitting down to eat. Yes, man. Enjoying the shrimps. Brunch vibes. Alright, guys. So we just finished eating. Everything nice, clean up. And, well, dinner pre-mince is on. Getting ready. Everybody full and eat them belly full. Oh, time to relax. And then we're going to go for a midday swim.
Yeah. Another day, I have to put my bed in the pool another day. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh gosh, this is nice.
Man.
So we're just enjoying the background, the backyard, and just relaxing. Oh Lord. Nothing beats this type of life. Nice and simple. It's just relaxing.
Little things.
It sure is. It really is. Alright.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.